Please guess the meaning of each kanji based on how the kanji looks. Let's get started. 木
tree,
林
woods,
森
forest, tree, woods, forest,
人
person,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
to follow, obey,
従う What about this kanji?
crowd of people,
衆女
woman,
What about this kanji?
argue,
言い争う Looks familiar? Then, what does this kanji mean?
noisy,
はしましい
woman, argue, noisy,
This kanji is read as midara as well. That means
body,
男
man, rice field, power,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
deceive,
たばかる What about this kanji? Man, woman, and a man.
ridicule, tease,
なぶる What about this kanji? A woman, a man, and a woman.
flirt with,
なぶる What about this kanji? A woman and a man.
a married couple,
夫婦車
car,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
roar,
とどろく馬
horse,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
roar,
とどろく Both of them are とどろく 牛
cow,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
jostle, crowd,
ひしめく羊
sheep,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
fishy smell,
生臭い心
heart,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
doubt,
疑う子
child,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
twins,
双子 Then, what does this kanji mean?
timid,
千、十、入、ひ、
fire,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
flame,
炎
fire, flame,
The kanji with 3 fires is 炎 as well. ホタル
firefly,
耳
ear,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
whisper,
ささやく目
eye,
Then, what does this kanji mean?
look around in surprise,
驚き見る There are quite a few kanji characters that consist of 3 identical kanji characters. 姑
mother-in-law,
If this kanji means mother-in-law, which one is the kanji for father-in-law? This one or this one? The answer is neither of them. This is father-in-law, 舅.
Q. On reading of this kanji.
Interesting. The kanji with the most strokes in Japan is this one, Taito, a person's name. How many strokes does this kanji letter have? Please stop the video and count. The answer is 84 strokes. These kanji mean clouds, and these kanji mean dragons. So the image is like that. Someone created a very interesting kanji with more strokes in Japan, which is 煩悩.
Earthly desires.
So, this kanji consists of characters related to humans' earthly desires listed in Buddhism, such as
Torment, tasting, hearing, smelling, no feeling, feeling bad, thinking, seeing, purified, tarnished, feeling good, body.
and the number of this kanji's strokes is 108. Japanese calligrapher Takumi-san wrote this kanji beautifully. So let's have a look. You can watch the rest in his YouTube video. The link is in the description. Here is the kanji, which is said to have the most strokes in the world. This one, which means
World.
the number of the strokes of this kanji is 172. Japanese calligrapher Takumi-san wrote this kanji with brush as well. So let's enjoy watching it. You can watch the rest in his YouTube video. The link is in the description. Let's finish with two more fun kanji quizzes. This kanji means ocean, and this kanji means pig. What animal do you think the combination of the two kanji letters mean? The answer is dolphin, イルカ. The last question. This kanji means river. This kanji means horse. What animal do you think the combination of the two kanji letters mean? The answer is hippo, カバ. Kanji is a lot of fun, isn't it? I hope you could enjoy this video. またね